Hi, I'm Kevin Duffy from Tax, Wealth, and Financial Services. Today I'm here with Matt Simon, who's a certified financial planner. So when somebody comes to you and says, Matt, I have an investment portfolio, what should I do with it? What's your response at that point?
So with that, I'm going to lead with a lot more questions. I'm going to try and find out, are you living off that investment portfolio? Are you saving for 30 years from now for retirement? Are you saving for 3 years from now for a house? That will really dictate what we do with the investments. But really, a lot of people think a financial advisor is only an investment guy. As we've talked a lot about, is really, investments are a piece of the financial picture, but I like to be looked at much more of a consultant. And that's really what I try and do for my clients, is consult them on everything in their financial picture, which of course includes the investments, but it's not solely about the investments.
I find with new businesses, I may not know everything about the business, but I'm going to ask the questions. Where's your sales? What's your work ethic? What's your next approach? What's your follow-up? I ask all those questions because I want to see if they're serious about their business. That's no different than what you're doing right now either.
No different at all. I've had people who come to me and ask about buying a business, and I ask them very similar questions, like you have to learn what the business you're buying is, right? You have to make sure where your sales coming from. Is there one big client? Are you going to lose the big client if you take over the business? So all these things are important, whether you're buying or you're building your own business. You need to know where the money's coming in, where it's going out, and all the things that are necessary to actually run that business.
Now, I offer the no-fee consultation because I want to get to know the people, and my market is more on the retirement and estate planning, so I want to see how serious people are. I don't want to charge them a fee if they're not really serious about retirement. How do you picture your business? How do you modify your business with that?
Yeah, my business is somewhat similar. I work with a lot of younger clients who are not maybe retirement ready yet. That is a piece of what we look at, obviously. We do plan for their retirement, but most of them are still 10, 15, 20 years away from that at least. I do offer a free consultation too. I have a one-meeting introduction, we call it, where we really just try and figure out where you're at, where you're trying to get to. We see if we're a good fit to work together. And then I will lead with typically a flat fee for the year. I do ask for a 1-year commitment from new clients, and we spend about a month or two building out an actual plan on what you're gonna follow, and then we just spend the next 9-10 months implementing that plan.
Click the link below to make an appointment or call 732-910-9207. I look forward to hearing from you.